name's John Fitzgerald. I'm here at the Garcia Mejia job. We're going to attempt to repair one of these shingles on the back slope. Currently there's 14 individual shingles to be repaired on this back half of the roof. This is the southern facing slope of the roof. So first I'm going to try and separate all the seals from this shingle so that I can pop the shingle out. Until I know what manufacturer this is, we're just going to attempt to replace this shingle back in until we can figure that out. So as you'll see here, the seals are popping pretty easy. Now to access the nailers that go in here and here, I do also have to separate these. Now, this is fastened with staples, so I can attempt to try and pull the staples from above. Sometimes it works. Now, this shingle has removed itself. We are having small issues because it's done with staples of it blowing right through the fastener trying to get this one out. Now, this is an old Tamco shingle, coded 1406 BURG. I need to reinstall 5 nails to manufacturer specs directly into the nailer board. Start with this one here. Now, we are going to have to refasten these shingles. So doing the same thing for this above shingle here, going up the roof, it's going to continue to pop them up. But you'll see we've actually ripped through the nailer board and damaged the functionality of this shingle, just trying to get that one out. And you can also see the degranulation in these shingles because they're not pliable anymore. So you'll see the damage caused to those. So just to fix this one shingle, we're gonna end up having to replace the shingles in a triangle shape up to the ridge cap, all across this slope in 14 different areas. So this repair test definitely failed. Thank you.